So Texas is a community property state, and everything is presumed to be community property, meaning that both parties equally own that property. There are certain things that are separate. That would be anything that a party had coming into the marriage, anything that was inherited, a gift, or certain personal injury damages. Now, the burden is on the person trying to prove separate property to do that and to prove, how much was in an account when they got married, or to prove they received certain money in inheritance from a grandparent, or whatever the case may be. Then when it comes time to dividing property, Texas divides property in a manner that is, quote, just and right, and this is referring strictly to community property. Usually it's a 50-50 split, but it can be shifted slightly one way or the other depending on a variety of circumstances, fault grounds, or high earning capacity of one spouse, or a large separate estate of one spouse, are certain factors that can be used in shifting the estate one way or the other. And dividing the estate 50-50 does not necessarily mean we're dividing each individual asset and each individual debt down the middle. We're looking at the whole pie and how we want to divide it. Now, not every asset is apples to apples. So retirement money is not the same as equity in the home, is not the same as an investment account or cash. So I really like to look at a client's priorities. Does somebody really value the house? They really want to keep that house because they really want to raise their kids in it. We look at the estate. Does it make sense to do that? And if so, how can we make that happen? If somebody really values retirement, what can we do to help shift more of the retirement money to that client? Some people, especially if they've been a stay-at-home parent, really value liquidity because they're going to need that liquid cash to be able to survive until they get on their own 2 feet.